Mahalin, Maui and Trizzy here. You're probably searching around for some honest reviews and experience about hotels in Luxor, Egypt. We want to take you on a tour of the Hilton Luxor Resort and Spa that we booked for our trip in November. We stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days. Since the hotel is settled along the Nile River on the East Bank, our arrival after a 40-hour travel day from Los Angeles wasn't so bad after watching the sunset on the Nile River. The hotel is about 20 minutes from the Luxor airport. We hired a private driver through the hotel via email. We spent $45 USD one way. From our hotel to the central location, where you'll find the Luxor Temple, was approximately 10 minutes drive. Also, the hotel offers taxi services with a set pricing, so you don't have to worry about negotiating. There are plenty of hotels closer to the central location, but we were so happy that we chose to stay with the Hilton Luxor. And these are the reasons why. As you can expect from a 5-star hotel, the 2 twin bedroom we stayed in checked off cleanliness, comfort, space, and in-room amenities for us. We just wish we had a better view out the window, but there are different price options for a Nile River room view. Daily breakfast buffet was included. The buffet spread had a variety of pastries, poultry, eggs, vegetables, fruits, grains, and beverages. And this super dope honeycomb that you can get fresh honey from. Never seen that before. Our favorite part of breakfast, which came as a pleasant surprise, was the fresh and fluffy Egyptian bread being made right in front of us. When we ripped it apart, it was hollow and warm inside.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. How do you do that?
The hotel has a few restaurants, a pool bar you can swim up to, and a shisha lounge. During the day, you can order lunch and dinner on site while enjoying some live entertainment. For our dinner the first night, we ate at the hotel restaurant Olives. We ordered the chicken souvlaki, which came with fries, fresh tomatoes and olives, and a side of tzatziki sauce, and a Mediterranean seafood soup called bouillabaisse. While lounging at the spa pool, we had some pasta and corn salad. There's one main pool, definitely not heated unfortunately, that has 2 levels. The top level is where the swim-up bar is, and the bottom is more to swim, lounge, and wade. Really wish the main pool was heated, but don't fret. There's an infinity pool in the spa that has the warmth you'll need with the comfortable weather in Egypt in November. You'll never believe that the entry to the spa at the Hilton Luxor was complimentary. But believe it. You're free to use the warm infinity pool with perfect views of the West Bank, Nile River, sunset, and if you're lucky, hot air balloons. Along with the pool, you can use the thermal spa located inside. Seriously, we're talking about herbal saunas with chamomile tea leaves to help detoxify your body, ice fountains with ice chips to pour or rub on your body to reduce body temperatures and inflammation, steam rooms with essential oils to purify and stimulate blood circulation, foot soaks that alternates warm and cold water to soothe pain, relaxation room with beds to nap in silence. We couldn't believe this was all complimentary. You'll only have to pay if you're getting a treatment such as skincare, facials, massages, mani and pedi, and others. We spent the entire afternoon here cycling through the thermal spa a few times. We were rejuvenated from a long travel day. Felt like the perfect way to combat jet lag too. The last amenity is the gym. It was a great sized gym with a beautiful view of the West Bank and Nile River. It's located under the spa's infinity pool. We went in for an early morning workout, and to our surprise, we caught the hot air balloons. It was a gorgeous sight to see that we took our workouts to the outside. The gym has all the basic equipment you need, from treadmill, elliptical, and bikes, with an array of weighted dumbbells. If you caught our Luxor itinerary video, you know about how a tour operator didn't pick us up for our Nile River cruise tour. Link in the description if you're interested to see what happened in that video. We bring this up to talk about the service we experienced at Hilton Luxor during this unfortunate situation. The staff went above and beyond to help us resolve this problem. They connected us with NASCO Tours, a third-party vendor at the hotel that offers tours and activities. When we emailed them to arrange an airport shuttle, they were very responsive and detailed on what their price was. Service is major, and we think we got top-tier service at the Hilton Luxor. In mid-November, we spent about $200 a night with taxes, fees, and service charge. For what comes with the cost and where it's located, we got more than we expected. There may be tons of hotel options in Luxor, but we got a lot of bang for our buck here. We hope this helped you plan your trip to Luxor, Egypt. If so, hit that like button or share it with others. Thank you for watching Maui and Trizzy. Subscribe and get notified for our past and future adventures.